Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aries. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck and one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck for your general energies. This is for your general energies, Aries. This is for your career situation and this is for your love energies, Aries. And this is the Wisdom Oracle card. So we'll open the card at last. For your daily energies, Aries, it is Six of Wands in reverse. With this card, maybe you are really anxious about some things. You are worrying that things may not go as expected, guys, in your work situation or in your relationship. And you feel that people in your work whom you are working with, they may be working against you. They may not work for your benefit. So they have some ideas and they want to do their work based on that, and they don't want to listen to you. And maybe for some of you, maybe some projects or ventures or whatever was delayed or suspended, that may revive again, guys. That may come back. So something happy with this card, that is what I see here, guys. So maybe this person in your relationship, maybe they are coming back towards you. So that may also be the energy here, Aries, with this card. So something of the past is coming back. Whatever you thought will not be. So let us see what is this card. Eight of Swords. So in your career, you are facing certain obstacles, guys. You feel that things are not going as you had expected, and you feel you have wasted your time and energy, and you feel trapped in your situation. You cannot escape certain results, and you feel restricted and hurt. You don't know what to do. You are unable to take any step to move away from the situation, and that is what it feels like. So something is closing in on you and you feel really sick and tired of the situation, guys, in your work. So let us see what is this card for your relationship. Ten of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card here, Aries, the energy is that, guys, sometimes in your relationship, you may be facing some quarrels or obstacles, guys. So overall, the energy here is you are having some quarrels, some arguments, misunderstandings. Something is worrying you, guys. And maybe some things are coming back. Maybe in your work things are not going so well, but your past person, they may be coming back to you with some understanding, or things may not go well in your relationship, and in your work certain things may revive. Your past projects, whatever was stalled, so that is reviving, maybe, guys. That is what I see here. So let us see what is the card oracle's guidance for your ladies. Soulmates. With this card, the oracle's guidance message for us, Aries, is that this is the time for you to understand that life is based on harmonious partnerships. So in your relationship or in your work situations, you may be having people in your work situation, mentors, business partners, employees, helpers. So you share your journey with them. So it is time that you give you go in for that happy collaboration with them, work as a team in your situation. So when you do that, you will find that it will take you towards your dream. So you have to have that understanding in your work situation and even in your relationship, guys, with this person. So some relationships may overwhelm us with that love and affection. We will feel so warm and cozy. That will also change us. But sometimes certain relationships will break us down. So we'll be so badly hurt in that relationship. Even when that happens, we change dramatically and drastically, and we will get a clear view of ourselves, what we are, when we let down all our barriers. So when we get such relationships, such people in our life who change our life in a dramatic way, we need to think of them as guidance from the universe, guys, as our greatest gift. So these people are there just to help us to evolve, help us in our personal growth. That is the only reason that they are there in our life. So that is what this card means, guys, and that's the reading for you all, Aries. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.